set it up. How you doing? How you doing? Same recording, rocking. Looking stupid. In the booth with a whole lot of moving. And we smoking on the phone too. It gets scary when I get her in my bag. I'm so deep I can't go back. It's like I'm under attack. Too much money that I have. Used to front your sister half. Used to dream of having rags. Counting fucking 100 stacks. Empty clip like fuck a mag. I'm on too much shit I know. Little white bitch just wants some blow. Pull up, stand, gotta grip that pole. Pull up, bam, and he gone, let's go. Count my rent when I pay my nose. Pay for the white cause I don't rock gold. If it's all good, then I'm good to go. One in the head and we don't reload. We don't like strangers. Come on these parts, you gon' meet my new laser. I smoke way too much, I sound like fucking Darth Vader. When you find me, I'll be smoking with the mayor. I'm a big rock flipper, career killer. Dope that I'm smoking, just that ounce of it will kill ya. I got money in the front of the whipper. Young, handsome, ballin', check the price on the zipper. They don't wanna see me doing better, man, but I'm telling you what, I'm gonna be rich. I'm a big rock flipper, career killer. Dope that I'm smoking, just that ounce of it will kill ya. I got money in the front of the whipper. Young, handsome, ballin', check the price on the zipper. Big rock flipper, career killer. Dope that I'm smoking, just that ounce of it will kill ya. I got money in the front of the whipper. Young, handsome, ballin', check the price on the zipper. Just let me ride, let me fly off these pills, I might die. K, I'm done, K enough, this the last time I try. I can't even see the light, you so easily disguised. How you look me in the eyes, fill my soul to brim of life. Just let me ride, let me fly off these pills, I might die. K, I'm done, K enough, this the last time I try. I can't even see the light, you so easily disguised. How you look me in the eyes, fill my soul to brim of life. Lies, truth is all the same, like why'd you have to say I was right? To keep going, I despise you, bet my hatred surprise. You've been waiting for my time to blow up and show my family that I ain't really tried to. Call me when you get sad, but never call me when you up. I'm always here for you, but I bet you could give a fuck. I'd ask to be alone, but I don't wanna press my luck. I got some new surprises and one of them stay tough, yeah. Keep me safe, keep me warm, keep me inside from the storm. See the clouds start coming in and all the darkness starts to swarm. Let me sleep, let me rest, let me wake up on your chest. Let me look you in their eyes and tell you for me what's best. Just let me ride, let me fly off these pills, I might die. K, I'm done, K enough, it's the last time I try. I can't even see the light, you so easily disguised. How you look me in the eyes, fill my soul with brim of lies. My whole clique, we riding around now, it's a fucking rap. You been talking all your shit, you getting fucking clapped. I been hearing left and right, you hate this shit, I fucking rap. But I ask your name, they tell me, I'm like, who the fuck is that? I been rolling through your hood like every day. Suddenly all of you ain't got shit to say. I think it's funny how your life is turning gray. I don't got time for the drama, bitch, I'm getting paid. Fully loaded magazine, I pull up thrashing every which way. Acting vogue, ain't got time for the stupid bitch games. I've been dropping all this music and it never give me shit. I think that it's time I change it up. What's it mean to quit? If I drop 100 tracks and I say your shit ablaze, then I won because I left you sitting with nothing to say. Change the flows, change the clothes, change the all around life, bitch. Went and got a wife, bitch, all in one night, bitch. I'ma drop a bomb, make it look like it's a song. Take that preem up off your chest and throw that shit into a bonfire. All that I've been spitting, I'm the south side dragon. Now they like, goddamn, what happened? He got good while I was napping. Stay asleep, take them Xanax and go take your ass to bed. You ain't even smart enough for this to process in your head. I've been waiting, taking every chance I got, don't be mistaken. I've been patient with this shit and now I'm running out of patience. I see you sitting there, it's okay, you getting there. I've been posted with my girl from the back, hitting, ripping hair. Oh, you think that you a menace? I've been posted out in Venice. Your life looking so horrendous, diamond teeth just left the dentist. Yeah, fuck what you think, fuck what you heard, fuck what you saying, boy, fuck every word. Yeah, fuck what you think, fuck what you heard, fuck what you saying, boy, fuck every word. Yeah.